What's up, guys? Happy Saturday. Today is May 31st, last day of May. So anyway, I am out here in the Atlanta, Georgia area, right off of Howard Mill Road. This is a client that was referred to me by the real estate agent. I've been getting a lot of referrals from real estate agents in this Atlanta, Midtown, Buckhead area. So what I want to be doing here, guys, it's a one room. My sanding guy, Aaron, pulled the carpet yesterday, and I'm in for a treat. Tavares is off today. So let me show you what I'm going to be doing. And then after this, I got to go do a countertop consultation for one of my repeat clients in Alpharetta. So let me flip this around and show you what I got going today. All right, guys. So again, I am in the Atlanta, Georgia, Howard Mill Road area. Aaron came and pulled the carpet yesterday. Had a few consultations that I did earlier this week come in this morning. And check this out, guys. Wow. So we pulled the carpet, and this is what was under the carpet. All right. So I am about to pull my magic and get this floor looking decent. All right, guys. Stay tuned. First coat going down, a little amber seal. Get this floor some more amber. Definitely came out better than I thought it would. I mean, this floor had never been touched. All right, guys. I'm gonna go grab me some lunch while this dry, and then come down and put down the next coat. Stay tuned. All right, guys, look at the floors now. Miss Betsy just came and looked at it, and she said, Courtney, that looks so much better. So much better. So like I say, guys, it's not perfect. It's gonna look a whole lot better when I get the second coating down. But just to show you the before and after, you saw how just, oh my God. Yeah, the floors just needed some TLC. So I'm gonna get ready to put the second coat down, and I'm gonna go do a consultation for some countertops for a repeat client in Alpharetta, and that will be my day, guys. So, all right, guys. All right, thanks again for watching. I might, if it don't, that mean I didn't, but I might stay behind because I want to see how it looks. It always looks better with the second coat, so I might just stay behind just a little bit, try to see how it looks with that second coat. All right, guys, if I don't stay behind, see you in the next one. All right, guys, I went on to stay around so I could see it with that second coat, and Miss Betsy said, what you say, Miss Betsy?
It looks great.
It looks great, guys. Look at that. You guys saw the before, now look at the after. And like I say, it's not perfect, but she's going to be putting furniture back in, going to have the baseboards go back up. That's definitely going to make it look better. She's going to put a nice bit rug in here. So, guys, I'm going to say I'm very, very happy with these results.